and welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Now, I will not actually be here for the soap making today. I'm just here to introduce to you our special guest. And after they do the making and cutting of their special soap loaf, I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys a little more. This particular guest I have known for a very, very long time. I'm nervous about introducing new people, but now is the time, I'm positive. Our special guest has made cold process soap before, and I tried to show her the way I like to do it, but she has her own opinions about soap making. She's very confident and she has no small amount of sass.
Madam Saponify, how are you doing?
I didn't expect you to be opening up the door, young man. Did you give your butler the day off?
Oh, we don't have a butler here, Madam Saponify, ma'am. You're dressed in all black.
I'm in mourning for the death of human decency.
Why don't I take you into our studio area?
Oh, very good.
It's just this way.
Oh, what a mess. This is why you need a housekeeper. Well, what do you expect from me today?
We're gonna be having you make an unscented,
Yes.
very creamy,
Yes.
very natural
Yes.
soap today.
I can do it! Wonderful, let's get cracking! Thank you, young man, for cleaning up this workspace. Are you ready?
I'm ready, but you're not ready. You need to put on your safety gear. Your poor eyes must be protected.
I beg your pardon.
There, the glasses over there. You should put them on to protect your eyeballs.
Oh, I tell you, we've never had such newfangled notions whenever I was making soap. Only half the soap makers I knew went blind in both eyes. The other half had at least one good one left.
Oh, whoa. The gloves, too. You've got to put on some gloves that will actually protect those sweet little mitts.
Don't film this part. It's scandalous to see a woman's bare hands.
That's not exactly what I... Never mind.
Are you appeased?
You seem safe enough to me.
Cold process, hot process, or French milled, I'm skilled in all forms of soap making.
Just cold process today, thank you.
We will be soaping today with full water, titanium dioxide, and my special blend of fragrance oil.
Special fragrance oil?
That's right, a very nice peddler knocked on my door, said he had the most glorious tinctures in all of Europe. I bought some, and I'm sure it will be nothing but excellent.
We normally buy fragrance oils from only reputable dealers.
Don't doubt my skills, boy! Don't doubt my skills! We look ready to me, so let's make like H.P. Lovecraft and get cracking! Basically, I have my oils pre-melted, I have my titanium dioxide pre-measured, and my lye water solution with no water discount sitting off to the side. First, let's take the TD and put it straight into our lye water solution.
And now you're gonna use a stick blender to blend it all up?
Oh, that not often fiddle faddle. I don't need all that. Whisk is good enough for me. Plus, with a whisk, you know it's not possessed. Now I'm going to pour the lye water solution into the oils.
Oh, did you check the temperatures?
How on earth would I do that? There's no need to film all this, my boy. I'll be here for a couple of hours. I'd say this looks about right. Didn't take too long. Course, I have the fortitude and the constitution of a male goat in the Nepalese mountains. Time to add the fragrance.
Now, are you really sure about this? I'm not...
Does this look unsure to you?
Oh boy. I don't,
We're finally ready to pour it into our mold.
After this quick commercial break?
What?
What are you doing?
Cold process soap must be coaxed gently.
We normally just dump it in there.
That's your problem. One must ladle their soap into the mold.
I mean, it's not like this is the cleanest method.
This is an art!
As far as art goes, this is a little more of a Picasso, wouldn't you say?
Who?
You know, I won't lie, Madam Saponify. This is actually really frustrating to watch you do this.
Soap making takes patience. All right. Time to tap it down. We shall flatten it out.
That looks like a little bit too much.
It's beautiful, exactly how I intended it. And now I will take just a little off the top. May I use one of these?
A toothpick?
Yes.
Of course.
Toothpick. We always call these sharp and pokes. It's a bit grainy, and I'm sure that has absolutely nothing to do with my temperatures.
Or that fragrance oil.
Scrapathy, our gargantuan receptacle.
We always say scrapey, our little containy.
I have never heard such nonsense in all my 89 years.
You don't look a day over 25.
Thank you. This scraping part has me a little winded.
Still a little messy.
The size of the mess does not determine the knowledge of the maker. Now time to sprinkle on a few lovely botanicals that I had Jeeves pick in my garden. Putting dried flowers on soap is an uncommon practice for people my age, but may it never be said that you can't teach Madam Saponify new ways to spice up her creations.
Are those lavender buds?
They are fresh grown from one of my estates. I will say these do look quite nice on the tops. Well, these are looking mighty fine. I will let them sit for 1 hour.
What? I will probably need to let them wait for 24 hours at least.
Why?
To finish saponifying.
It appears I have a busted glove. How mortifying. I need something to put on top of these so that I can cover them with as many blankets as I can find.
Oh, you won't have to cover them with any blankets. They should be just fine sitting out, as long as you spray it with rubbing alcohol.
What sort of witchcraft is this? Where's this alcohol of which you speak?
It's over there.
Oh, I see. Isopropyl alcohol, 91%. Equate?
It's just that spray bottle over there.
I see. How many times do I have to spritz this confounded thing?
Yeah, I think that ought to be enough.
And you mean to tell me it'll turn into soap?
With that fragrance oil and how you blended it, I mean, we can hope.
All right, well, we'll do it your way then, but don't say I didn't warn you if it doesn't turn out correctly.
What? No, you just did it your way. Now, Madam Saponify, we normally will say we're gonna wait.
Goodbye, my boy.
18 to
Good
20.
luck with the cleanup.
18 to 24 hours.
I'll be back tomorrow
Well,
to check on the loaf. Well, I'm back, and you can see my soap is perfect. I have this long crack down the middle of my bars, just the way it's supposed to be. That's how you know you've done it right. Gonna take it out now. Very careful. Peel down the sides. Here we go. Zoom in close, my boy. Take a look at this perfect soap. Never have I seen such a marvelously white bar.
It's definitely an interesting take on soap making.
I don't know what you plan on doing with this. I suppose you can give it to some street urchins. I'll be saving these for a later batch. Waste not, want not. Where do you keep your knives, my boy?
Oh, we don't use knives. We have a cutter over there.
Oh,
Do you need me to help you get it?
I don't even know how to work that. Is it heavy?
It's a little bit heavy.
Oof.
So you just lift up the bar.
This part? Excellent. Oh my. That looks about right. And do I just push it down? Oh, this is really easy. The soap is soft like butter. The best ones are always in the middle. Well, there you have it. Very nice. Quality artisan soaps. I'm very pleased, and I know that some of my finer friends would appreciate a handmade batch of this caliber.
It does look a little bit mottled.
That's to be expected, young man. It comes with the craft. There's no way to avoid it. It is a natural part of the soap making process. The only thing there's left to do is to let these sit for 8 months before using them. And now Madame Saponify needs her afternoon nap. Is there anything else you need, or am I dismissed?
No, this has been perfect.
Excellent! I bid you all a very good day. Soap making has been in my family for hundreds of years. We know how to do it right.
Well, Madame Saponify did make soap. Now, Madame Saponify is never going to see this video. She doesn't do the whole electronics thing, so I can't hurt her feelings when I say, that's a lot of glycerin, Rivers. Back in the olden days of soap making, their measurements weren't as precise. I also saw that Madame Saponify didn't know what temperature she was working at, so she could have had really hot lye water and really cold oils, or vice versa, or really hot everything. For my personal recipe, I like to make sure that my lye water solution and my oils are within 10 degrees of each other, but working with really, really hot lye water and oils is definitely going to increase your chances of glycerin, Rivers. Also, working with fragrance oils that may or may not be from a reputable supplier could cause a lot of issues with your soap, whether that's seizing or glycerin, Rivers, or overheating or separation or acceleration. The possibilities are endless. Will this bar of soap get you clean? Absolutely. These are merely aesthetic. And honestly, I like the fragrance oil she picked, even though I don't know who she got it from. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and learned a little something as well. Madame Saponify, though I know she would never admit it, loves to be complimented. So the more praise she gets, the more likely she is to appear. I hope you all have an absolutely marvelous day. Be sure to go do something fun for yourself today, whether that is researching a little bit more about your particular craft you are interested in, or maybe going out and reading a good book. Either way, do something that makes you happy, and I will see you all soon. So until then, bye for now. Meow.